Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Today's video, we're just going to show you what's new in B&M for the end of March. I've heard there's a new delivery in, so with that said, we'll take a quick jump down there and take a look what's in store. As we went out to the back of the garden center, I did see this money tree in store. These are coming in at just £35. As we made our way outside, you can just see here right by the entrance, we've got some of the Yucca Gloriosa. These ones coming in at just £18.50. Quite a good deal, and you can see quite a reasonable sized plant for that. Nice variegation on that as well. So one that you can add, and again, this will be evergreen as well. Next to that, we've got one of the Mega Olives. So this one's coming in at £385. You can just see quite a large specimen here. You definitely need your own transport for these. And again, £385 on that one. Next to that, we've got our Yucca Jewel, and you can just see here £35 on these. They've got quite a decent amount of stock in. Again, should be evergreen, but a little less hardy than your standard Yucca. Next to that, we've got some of the Yucca Rostrata coming in at £85. And you can see here, these do appear to be newly potted, so it may be an idea to take a look at the potting medium if you do pick one up. Eddie at Woolly Tropicals put out a video about this, so certainly check that out if you're interested to see kind of what they're looking like this year. Next, we have the Bonsai or Acers in a pot, more of a patio statement piece. These ones coming in at just £50. Coming this way, we can see a lovely display of the Sonetti Summer Bedding. These ones coming in at just £5. Very vibrant flowers on these. Really nice to kind of add and pair with other plants. Again, very easy to just plant and forget. Should be some great color pops for this year. And you can see the variety of colors we've got on these here. So you can really kind of pair it with other styles of plants that you have, maybe similar colors or contrasting colors. Once again, to provide that lovely summer interest. Again, you can see £5 here. Quite a few more of the summer bedding flowers, as you can see. Moving down here, we do have some of the jasmine. This one coming in £18.50. Lovely sized plant on this. Very floral and a lovely kind of flushed out plant that you're buying straight away. Got the camellias in the back here. You can see these ones coming in at just £15. Already gone into flower, and once again, should be good to go straight in the ground for you, or kept in pots if you prefer. Below, we've got the Ascot Rainbow coming in at £8.50, so that's your Euphorbia. They've also got these new Acers in, looking quite nice here as well. You can see £27.50 on these. Decent size, nearly 3 foot or a meter high. So once again, ready to go in the ground if you're thinking to do that. Of course, most of these can be kept in containers or pots, so just bear that in mind as well. Moving on, we've got the small rhododendron, or the dwarf rhododendron varieties, coming in at £6.50. You can just see lovely evergreen interest with these. Very kind of dainty leaves and lovely flowers that do come out sort of the April-May time. Next, we've got some of the Vestusia grass, the intense blue, again coming in at just £6 here. Lovely plants, and I have a few of these in the garden. Really do kind of pop and add that evergreen interest. Above, we've got the Lakothi, this one coming in at £8.50. Again, one that I've added in some lovely kind of interesting variegation on the leaves there. Moving this way to the sale aisle, which always worth checking if you're coming into store here. You can see quite a few of the summer bedding reduced down, half price or even less on some of these. So always worth checking out your sale aisle if you are in store. Some of them look a little worse for wear, but of course you can still find bargains in there. Just as we come down the next aisle here, you can see we've got the Scotch Broom or Cystix, as well as the Sedums up above. Sedums coming in at just £4. Below here, we've got some of the Hydrangea. So these Hydrangea coming in at £5. You can see a few varieties of colors that you can choose from as well. And once again, that should be able to kind of go into flower this year if we get it in the ground early. Above that, again, we've got the Cystix or Scotch Broom at £5. Lovely little interest in dainty flowers on these. One that, again, I do have in the garden. Moving up, of course, we've still got the Akuba. £4 for £4 or 3 for £10. Also got some of the standard Fatsia as well, which you can just see here. Again, £4, which for the size of the plant, lovely price, and good sized plant there for £4. Once again, that should be an evergreen for you as well. Moving on here, we do have some of the smaller rhododendron varieties at £4. We've also got some of the Deutzia, some small Photina, and Weigla, which is not one that I grow, but again, lovely shrubs to add to the garden, evergreen interest as well. You can see we've got these 6-packs of the Sempervivum and Sedums here. So those are the Sempervivum at £8.50. The Sedums we were looking at just before. You can see here, again, more of the evergreen shrubs. Once again, some lovely interest, and they do have a lovely rack of the Saxifraga. Alpines, once again, lovely color in the spring. Got the white flowering ones and the red flowering ones here, coming in at just £5. Some lovely spring interest, and again, I've planted a lot of these in my garden. You got those coming in at 4 for £10 there on some of the larger pots. Just looking here, we do have some of the large stem double-headed yucca. These ones coming in at just £75. Following from that, we do have some of the green bamboo at £30, and we'll just make our way now out to some of the new racks that have come in, and you can see we've had quite a big order as we get to it here, and it feels kind of nice walking through this small little racking area. Feel kind of enveloped by the plants, and quite an interesting feeling looking at all the brand new plants and choices that you can go for here. Just as we make our way back, you can just see we've got a pallet with some of the larger plants, which we'll just take a look at now, and as we get close, you can just see here we've got some of the £37.50 Trachycarpus fortunei in, which again, for this size, great price and plant size. Good to go in the ground, and that should be evergreen and hardy for you as well. We've got some more of the large olives coming in at just £100, with some of the smaller ones as well. You can find these sort of everywhere at the moment here. Decent sized trunk on these, and I did spot in here we've got one of the larger Chamaerops coming in at £37.50. Nice looking plant on that side. Some more of the Yucca Jewel, and you can also see we've got a Rostrata in there. We also have large Photina or Red Robin coming in at just £65. Give you some nice height straight away. And again, we've got some of the large Trachycarpus fortunei palms, which you can just see here, quite a decent size to the top. Once again, £150 on these. But one thing I've noticed, if you can take a look, it does look like the compost is quite loose on top, and digging in, it did look like we are sort of a clay base underneath. So there's something to bear in mind when getting these, that soil may not be the best at the bottom. Just underneath here, we've got some of the Cordylines coming in at £10 each. You got the Red Star here, as well as your green varieties. Good sized plants, and once again for £10, really can't go wrong for that size. We now have some of the hardy fuchsia back in, some lovely color pops on these, some that I grow in my garden as well. They come back every year stronger than ever. £8.50 on these. Again, good sized plant for that. And you can just see here we've got some new, now this one I'm not as familiar with. This is your Daisuma, £8.50. But this one here, lovely kind of interest in flowers, as you can see, kind of an evergreen looking bush almost. Good sized plant, and again, £8.50. Another one that could be worth adding to the garden. Moving down on the racks here, we do have the standard violas. With these, you can see we've got all different varieties of colors, decent sized packs coming in here, as well as the multi-pack price. We've got 3 for £6 on all of these, so once again, really can't go wrong if you're looking to add some of that summer bedding. Another new one in, you can see here, lovely pink flowers on these, and we've got these coming in at just £6.50, which is going to be, and just struggling to get in here, your Scabosia, which again, I could be massively pronouncing that wrong, so apologies if I do. We've also got some of the calla lilies in, lovely little plants, and once again, you really can't go wrong in the price on these, £6.50. Lovely interest, and almost all of them are already in flower. Just moving down the racks here as well, I did spot this Hebe, which is your Hebe Magic. Again, not one I've seen before. Good little sized plant. You can see lovely kind of interest in color on that. Moving down here, we've got some more of the standard stuff that we've had in before. Here's a couple new shrubs that we haven't had, which is your Cyanos, £6.50. I do believe we may have had a similar variety in, but you can see ready and about to flower on these. Again, lovely, interesting shrubs to add to the garden. Up here, we've got some of the peony roses coming in at £8.50. Now with these lovely plants, and once again, should be good to come back every year and be a perennial for you. Lovely flowers and interest on those as well. Looking down over here, we do have some more of the rhododendron in, as well as the azalea. Now, this appears to be a newer one. You've got the standard japonica, but the flowers on this look fantastic. And I'll just pull one out so you can take a look here. And you can just see already coming into flower, decent sized little plant. And again, something like that, we really can't complain at just £4.50. Again, get that in the ground, evergreen. I've got some in my garden. They have fantastic spring interest, lovely spring flowers. Same again, along with your dwarf rhododendron varieties, which you can see here. Lovely flowers on these, and again with this one, £6.50. Great prices for the size of the plants. We can't really argue for that. And again, very nice kind of mixing of colors that you can do with these, sort of pairing them together. Again here, nice to see we have the small acers back in at just £4.50. Lovely colors on these, and some fantastic kind of leaf variety and interest. Above, we've got a really bright, vibrant one coming in at £20. These are kind of like the smaller bowl versions of it. And once again, you can see nice little trunk on that, and the leaf color is extremely vibrant on those. I don't think the camera picks it up the best, but once again, you've got a few different varieties to choose from here. Down at the bottom here, I did spot this. We have a Kalmia, £8.50. And again, apologies for butchering the name on these. But again, another one that I've not seen in here recently, so I thought I would show you that. Got lots more racks of the standard kind of bedding and trailing plants, which you can just see here, 2 for £12. So you got multi-packs of these, various different varieties as well, so you can really kind of pick and match the colors that you're after in the garden. Once again, decent sized packs, and I believe those are the 4 packs, so you're 2 for £12 on those. Here we've got some of the climbing variety of hydrangea at £8.50. You can see much kind of taller stature on that one. Next to that, we've got some of the honeysuckle coming in once again, £6.50 on that. Good sized plant, and once again already started climbing up its kind of trellis that they've supported it with. Again, good to kind of add for climbing along fences, things like that. Down here we've got some more of the standard summer bedding, and you can see another area of Saxifraga as we go down. Moving along, we've got some of the Phoenix canariensis palm trees coming in at just £10. Now once again, these have not been hardy for me. I do find they are more of a summer bedding, at least in my garden. We do have a lone hydrangea here, which you can see, lovely flowers on that one, and this one turning it around here coming in at just £12.50. As you can see, once again, quite a good pickup, and obviously a bit of a straggler left over, but still lovely flowers on that. Of course, we got the rhododendrons that we saw in our last video, as well as some more of the cordylines, as we had just seen some of them from the new order here, coming in at £10. One thing I'd always check with these is a kind of base or base wobble. Try and get one that has been kind of rooted well in the pot. Some more of the £37.50 acers, as you can see here. Lovely size on these. And once again, you know, you're getting a decent sized tree for that price. Also spotted this Pieris Scarlet O'Hara coming in at £8.50. Again, nice interest on this and slightly different to your red style of Pieris. Moving on the back here, we've got some more of the general bedding coming in at just £6. Once again, you can see some lovely flowers, color pops and things you can add to the garden instantly. We also have the Sinico or Angel's Wings at £6.50, and with this it's a lovely kind of contrasting leaf color and kind of nice white against the green, really makes a kind of pop in the garden. We got the Euphorbia purpurea, which I did pick up on my last trip down here at £8.50. Lovely plants on that side, definitely one I'd recommend. We've got the Pittosporum, as well as some of the other evergreen shrubs. Next to that, we've got some of the Deutzia larger versions at £8.50. Again, some lovely sizes on these. Really good sized plants this year, and it's nice to see all the different kind of styles of shrubs with the kind of different variegation and styles of leaves, each offering its own style of flowers. You can see the Budula here coming in at £6.50. Another new variety of Budula. We've got the Heucheras coming in at just £3. Again, lovely little plants for £3, and certainly with something like that should be evergreen for you as well. Down in the bottom here, where there's a little bit left over from the ferns from last order, so we do have the tassel fern coming in at £6.50. Another one that I highly recommend picking up, and should be once again hardy and evergreen in your garden as well. Just as we make our way down this way, you can just see some more of the azalea as well as rhododendron here. But next to that, I do see we have some new climbers, which I'll just show you here. We've got some of the clematis, as well as your passiflora, as well as a few of the other kind of veggies that you can grow. More of the climbing plants, but once again, really good plants on here. And you're coming in at 3 for £10 on these. Next, we have a variety of Phormium coming in at just £12.50. You can see lovely color variations on these for £12.50 as well. Decent sized plant, as you can see here, all the way from your lime greens to your kind of pinks as well. Once again, I've added a couple of these, and I do plan to add a few more, certainly with the kind of quality of the plants that you can see here. Following from that, they did have a new veg range out, which was quite nice to see. As you can see, we've got the strawberries in. We've also got some of the packs of strawberries coming in at just £4. We've also got below that some further veg that you can grow, so even things like your cauliflower, broccoli, as well as calabrese. So once again, giving you that option if you're looking to add some veg to the garden, and 3 for £6. Once again, really can't go wrong on those here. But with that said, of course, if you haven't checked out the friends of the channel, it'll be in the comment section below, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.